Bon, au départ de son épopée, hein, dans sa quête d'émancipation intergénérationnelle, vous verrez ce que je veux dire par là, je développerai plus tard, Van Damme fait une erreur, il va se paumer aux États-Unis. Il veut à tout prix travailler au sein d'Hollywood et il supplie Menahem Golan, qui est un producteur juif pro-israélien, de lui donner du travail.
I was sitting with my wife in a French restaurant, and here comes one of the waiters, a handsome young man, holding 2 plates of soup. And he says to me in French, "Vous êtes Monsieur Golan?" I said, "Yes, I'm Golan." He picked up his foot, right foot, and he rubbed my head. The soup did not move.
I kick above his head, and he give me, "My friend, tomorrow come to my office, we'll talk you and I business." And I go to his office, and I try to provoke some sorts of dialogue. And I took my shirt, my jacket, and I show, I've got muscle. I can do the split. So I take a chair, I pull back for the vision, I go, wow, in the split position. I can be a fighter, write everything for free. He said, Van Damme, maybe I gave too much. Sit down. Michael Dudakov is a star. What can I do with the split? The muscle. I need acting. Sorry. I go, Menahem, please, man, I get to... I was like... I break down. And he looked at me like, with this big heart. Like, don't go next to me like this. Sit down, okay. And he see me, like, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry if I cry. I'm fucking sorry. And then he think, Karin, bring me Bloodsport. And she come and he go, you want to be a movie star? I'm gonna make you a movie star.
Bon, Menahem Golan, au départ, il n'a rien demandé, mais il va intégrer Van Damme dans son rapport au monde, qui est pro-israélien. Et donc, il va proposer à Jean-Claude Van Damme le premier rôle dans Bloodsport, et qui est d'interpréter le personnage de Frank Dux. Frank Dux est un juif canadien dont les parents seraient réchappés de la Shoah. Il a des liens, ça ressemble beaucoup au profil de Seagal, hein, Frank Dux. Il prétend avoir été un agent de la CIA envoyé sur des théâtres d'opération, il se part de titres qui n'existent que dans sa tête, et bon, bah, finalement, Van Damme se retrouve à interpréter un héros juif sioniste. Et dans le film Bloodsport, justement, il va se battre contre une caricature de Saddam Hussein qui s'appelle Sadik Hussein.
You come upstairs with me for an interview.
Like hell, let go of me.
You want Hussein, no?
No, Hussein is an asshole.
What did you call me?
You want me to spell it out for you?
Leave the girl alone. He's the American shithead who makes tricks with bricks.
Guess the Kumite starts one day earlier this year, huh, fellas?
Look, guys, let's all
No.
just calm down, okay?
She's coming with me upstairs.
Donc on voit bien que c'est pas un hasard si ces choses-là se produisent, c'est parce que Menahem Golan, qui est un juif pro-israélien, est à la tête d'une société Canon et d'un groupe Globus Golan, qui fait de la propagande pro-israélienne et qui se sert d'Hollywood pour les intérêts de sa communauté juive sioniste.
Low-budget, highly commercial action films are Cannon's stock in trade. Critics call them exploitation movies, pandering to the lowest cinematic taste.
Cannon was my favorite film company as a kid. When we saw that logo of those steel seas coming together, that we're like, oh, it's a Cannon movie, it's going to be awesome. You knew there was going to be guns, you knew there was going to be chicks, there was nudity, there was violence. Cannon was synonymous with awesome in the 80s. There was no other film label that did that.
Et Van Damme, qui est au départ de culture catholique belge, se retrouve déporté dans une culture protestante, les États-Unis, hein, majoritairement, et qui est un golem d'Israël. Donc il va se mettre au service d'une propagande pro-israélienne et anti-arabe pro-palestinienne. Alors, en 88, c'est Reagan, le président des États-Unis, le directeur de la CIA, c'est George Bush le père, qui va devenir le président en 89. Et en 90, il y aura la guerre en Irak. Donc on voit bien que la caricature d'arabe dans le film Bloodsport induit ce qui va se passer dans le futur.
Fast forward again to August 2nd, 1990. Iraq attacks Kuwait, claiming the Kuwaitis are slant drilling into Iraq's oil fields. U.S. President George Herbert Walker Bush pushes for a land war against Iraq. But polls show the U.S. public is split 50-50 on that idea. Then comes this eyewitness testimony before a congressional committee from a 15-year-old Kuwaiti girl. The claim is she cannot be identified for fear of reprisals.
While I was there, I saw the Iraqi soldiers come into the hospital with guns. They took the babies out of the incubators. Took the incubators and left the children to die on the cold floor.
The U.S. public is outraged. The result? Support for land war zooms. It's a turning point. Desert Storm is launched. 135,000 Iraqis are killed. An estimated 1 million Iraqis, many of them children and old people, then die as a result of 10 years of sanctions. One small problem. There never were any incubator baby deaths. Not one. The Canadian Broadcasting Corporation's investigative flagship program, The Fifth Estate, reveals the girl to be the Kuwaiti ambassador's daughter, given her lines and coached in acting by the giant American PR firm Hill & Knowlton. It's one phase in a $10 million joint U.S.-Kuwaiti campaign of deception. This man is lying.
I myself buried 14 newborn babies that had been taken from their incubators.
This man is lying.
And they had kids in incubators, and they were thrown out of the incubators so that Kuwait could be systematically dismantled.
There were a lot of people who participated in a conspiracy. Yes, an out-and-out conspiracy of fake organizations, false documents, fraud, and disinformation. So, if a new man named Bush is in the White House and helps engineer a brazen deception in order to achieve global geopolitical goals, as well as domestic and personal ones, it wouldn't be a first, would it?
Le fait que Hollywood soit tenu par des juifs sionistes consiste finalement à manipuler l'inconscient collectif au profit d'Israël.